There comes the town, it comes sooner or later. When your life pains on things just great, and you're changing real quick from a smooth operator into someone who saw better days. There comes a town when the weather gets rougher and the rain's falling deep down your brain. You lower your head, but the shit's getting tougher. Feels like being a dog on a chain. I hit the road and don't get rusty. Come on, pill out of bed. Life is dirty, life is dusty. You're to clean means you're dead. Hear the rumbling of thunder. You know that's the voice of life's fight. Come on, get out from under. It's the grumpy boys' strike. There comes the town at a pace really cracking. When you suddenly know it's enough, it's time for a change, which means tend to go hacking. Fuck the shit, it is you who is tough. Let's get ready to rumble. Raise the dust and praise the dirt. If you take in the tumble, you just ruin your shirt. Let's get ready to rumble. Praise the dirt and raise the dust. Don't complain and don't grumble into dust. We all crumble like the sword of a jumble. So to rumble some more.
On the day I was born, the nurses gathered round and gazed in wide wonder at the joy they'd found. The head nurse spoke up, said, "Leave this one alone." She could tell right away I was bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad, bad, bad to the bone. I broke 1,000 hearts before I met you, and I'll break 1,000 more, baby, before I'm through. I wanna be yours, baby, yours and yours alone. I'm here to tell you, honey, I'm bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad. Bad to the bone. Make a rich woman beg, I make a good woman steal, make an old woman blush, and a Mississippi girl squeal. I'm here to tell you, honey, when I see I make my own. Here to tell you, baby, that I'm bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad, bad, bad.